In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect SoundPad to Discord. By the end, you'll have your sound effects playing directly into your Discord calls, cleanly and without fuss. First, open your browser and head to the official SoundPad website. This is the tool that lets you play audio clips as if they were coming from your microphone, which is exactly what Discord will listen to. Make sure you're on the genuine site so you get the latest version and a safe installer. Next, download the Windows 64-bit installer, then run it and follow the on-screen setup. During installation, SoundPad adds a virtual input device to your system so other apps can receive your sounds. If Windows asks for permission to install audio components, allow it. When the setup finishes, open SoundPad to confirm it's installed correctly. You don't need to change anything complicated right now. The important part is that the virtual device is available for Discord to use. Now, switch over to Discord. Click the small gear icon at the bottom to open user settings. This is where we'll tell Discord to listen to SoundPad instead of your physical microphone. In the settings sidebar, choose voice and video. This is the control center for everything related to voice calls. Here you'll see options for your input and output devices, volume and testing tools. Under input device, open the drop-down and select the SoundPad entry. Depending on your system, it may appear as microphone or SoundPad virtual audio device or simply SoundPad. That selection makes Discord listen to the audio SoundPad plays. If you don't see it right away, close and reopen Discord or restart your computer so Windows can refresh the audio devices list. Before you jump into a call, use the mic test on this page, click Start Test, then play a sound in SoundPad. You should see the input bar move and you'll hear a preview of exactly what Discord would capture. Adjust input volume so your effects are loud enough without clipping. If noise suppression or echo cancellation makes your sounds choppy, try toggling those features to find the cleanest result for your setup. Push to talk can also help you control exactly when effects play. That's it. With SoundPad selected as your input in Discord, anytime you play an effect in SoundPad, your friends will hear it in calls and voice channels. Keep your levels moderate, test once before important conversations, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and enjoy adding crisp, well-controlled sound effects to your Discord sessions.